Marques Maybin, 93.9 DeVille, checking out Bob Hook Chevrolet in my Headlight service. I think they'll take care of me.
Now we're going to apply a little rubbing compound to get out the sand scratches we just put in there from wet sanding. Light compound to get any other little scratches that may left behind with the compound that I use. Now we're going to put some masking tape and paper on here and put a little clear coat on here. Clear coat over the top of the headlights.